How to integrate Outlook with Slack. From the left hand side, we want to scroll down until we see the option for apps, and here we will choose Add Apps and simply search for Outlook. So once we have this list shown up, we will click on Add here for the Outlook calendar, and it will refer us to this page where we have to choose Add to Slack. Then allow it the required permissions. And it will ask us to log in with our account if you haven't already logged into Microsoft, but I have, so I'm going to click on accept. And this will basically integrate Outlook with Slack. So it's going to redirect us here to our Slack. I'm going to show you where you can find it. So from the left hand side here, if we scroll down, you will be able to see Outlook calendar, and it will tell us that we're all set. Try to turn on automatic status updates, so it will automatically update our status based on the calendar when you are in a meeting, out of office, or working remotely. So we can click on turn on, and now it will automatically update our status according to our Outlook calendar. So it's useful. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.